Hello and welcome to this lesson from Simple-ESL. And in this lesson, we are going to learn the numbers 30 to 1000 in English. This is an A0 lesson aimed at very beginners in English. You will learn how to recognize and pronounce the numbers from 30 to 0, understand numbers in speech and writing, and use the numbers in common situations. Now, why is this important? Well, numbers are used in everyday conversation, whether it be shopping, travel, talking about dates on the calendar. Understanding numbers will help you feel more confident in real life and with your English speech. You will learn to talk about quantities, age, and prices. So, for example, how much is this? How old are you? What room am I looking for? These can all be answered using numbers. And we're going to build off the number work we did in our previous lesson, where we did the numbers 0 up to 29. Let's do the numbers in tens. Last lesson we had 20. This lesson we have 30. 30. Really pronounce T. 30, not 13. 30. 40. 40. Spelled Forty. 40. 50. 50. 60. 60. 70. 70. 80. 80. 90. 90. And with what we learnt in the last lesson, we can do the numbers in between 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and so on. And then we get to 100. What would come next after 100? 101. So if we wanted to do larger numbers, we can now use the numbers in tens, the numbers in ones, and the numbers in hundreds. So 101, 365. And if we go on to the next, 1000. Now we know how to do the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. We can go up to the thousands. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. But let's practice with a matching game. In this exercise, we are going to match the number to the word. So the first one, which word? Give you 3, 2, 1. It's 40. 40. The next one's in the tens. 7, 70. 70. Next one. It's 100 and 120. Now we have one here. 3 groups of nines. It says 100, a 90, and a 9. 999. And our final one, 1000. I'm going to read out some numbers. I want you to write down or guess the number. So listen and write. 90. 90. How do you spell that? What does it look like? And there's our answer, 90. Writing down the answers, 125. 125. 125. How about this one? 310. 310. 310. 870. So 870. 870. How about this one? 1,000. Writing down the answer. 1,000. 1,000. We're going to now use these numbers in everyday situations to answer questions and say statements. Complete the sentence with the correct number. I am years old. I am years old. I am 30 years old. Let's try our next one. My house number is. My house number is 125. The price is. The price is 999. She has followers on social media. She has 1,000 followers on social media. The hotel room number is. The hotel room number is 507. So now we have used numbers in everyday scenarios and situations. With a bit more practice, why don't you talk to a partner and ask these questions and listen and write down the number? How old are you? What is your phone number? What is your address? How many brothers or sisters do you have? What is a big number you use often? This is a great way to practice, or you can just write down these answers for yourself. How old are you? What is your phone number? What is your address? How many brothers and sisters do you have? What is a big number you use often? And what have we learnt in today's lesson? We have learnt the numbers 30 to 1,000 and also used previous information from the last lesson to fill in the gaps. We've learned how to pronounce and write them, and we've used them in real life conversations and situations. If you would like more practice, use the QR code below to get access to our Patreon, which has lessons and worksheets available. You can practice a number puzzle or worksheets. You can listen to numbers in English outside of the classroom, and perhaps review with a friend, practice those exercises, or maybe take part in an online quiz. But until next time, I would like to hear you practicing your numbers, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day.